on our way to Lake Tahoe. What can you say about your first camping? It's okay. Hi, Labs. Sarap, Labs? Pinagliso sama ng loob si Sam. Ha?
Hi, I am Cheryl for Hulano Vlog.
We are on our way to Lake Tahoe. Traffic is so bad. Hi, vlog. Driver. Ako yung driver. Sobrang traffic. Ang estimated arrival namin is 2:59. So, oras na ba ngayon? 12:37. So, may 2 hours and 44 minutes. Hi! Welcome to Lake Tahoe. One more time. Malapit na kami. So, tingnan mo yung view. Maganda yun. Welcome to Lake Tahoe. Finally, we are here. Nagsa-set up sila ng tent. Oh, be careful, guys. Be careful. Hi, Judel.
Hi.
Where's Liam? TJ, ano problema? Hi, vlog. Welcome to my tent. Yung tent namin. Dapat buksan na bintana sa tent. Sandali. Alan's first camping. What can you say about your first camping? It's okay. Aba, may open pa. Open.
Tawin pa kami ni Alan ka na. Kasi niya siya ginagawa. Ababong attorney.
Wow.
First camping ni Alan to.
Alan's first camping.
First camping niya. May signal ako.
Hi, loves. First camping ni loves. Hi, Judah.
Hi!
TJ. And the kids. Ito yung first camping to ng asawa ko. So, look.
Si Lia.
Yan. Kay, ito si Alan, makulit. Naiirita ako rito. Ito. Oh, ito si Liam. Hi, Liam. Ito yung food namin. Oh, hindi na kami nagko-cook. Ha? Dalo ko, nagasunod ba naman mo? What are you doing? Okay.
Ano gagawin? Liam is doing the marshmallow.
Wow.
Ah,
You're so sweet. Go closer now. Show it to him how you do it.
You have to show it. Wait.
Cheers.
Cheers.
For our first camping of the year.
Nice. Go, dalaw.
Sarap.
Your hoodie, I forgot your, nakalimutan ko yung bini nila.
What are you doing, babe?
Plastic pa raw lang sabi.
Hi, loves. Liam, hi, Liam.
Come here.
Come here. Oh, hi. Gago ka. Ate, what are you doing? Wait.
Don't burn it, Ninong Alan.
Nice. Good job. Ano daw?
Don't burn it.
Pinam na cellphone mo, last picture nga kita. Pakita ko kay Ate Lisa. Akin yung cellphone mo. Para makita niya. Siyempre. Are awesome. Then what are you doing? So, Ninong Alan is diabetic. Ninong Alan ka na.
Kasama yun sa s'mores. First time niya Alan mag-camping. So, kailangan niya mag-s'mores.
Oh, gayahin mo daw siya.
But
Then
now you can eat. But the
I can
marshmallow
eat.
is not cooked.
I can eat.
Oh, it na daw. Good luck. Ito nuno, gumando na karon daan na nga. Ano? Sarap, lads?
Pinicturean mo sana si Alan.
O, ito na nga. Nagbibideo ng... Ay, tagay na. Tagay. Oh, this one. Okay. Alright, TJ. Ganun pala yung pagkabit niyan. Mag-iinit kami ng tubig. Iinom kami ng kape. Instant coffee. That's Ate Sammy. Hi, Ate Sam. Hi, Liam. Say hi to my vlog. Liam. Madungi sa Judel nga. Nga.
What about? Lamig. Tama si Juden. Ano?
Pinaglisan sama ng loob si Sam. Nagsama silang tatlo. Si Sam out of place. Hi, Liam. Say hi to my vlog, Lee. This is Liam Colette. This is Judel. And this is Alan. And there's CJ. Where is Ate Sammy? Ate Sammy. Hi, Ate Sam. What are you doing? Hello, Lake Tahoe. What time is it? Ano oras na ba? 9:04. 1 hour left to shut down our music.
The next morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Lake Tahoe. Today is Sunday. Our second day here. And si TJ lang at saka ako yung gising. Yan, nagre-ready kami para magluto. Tapos tulog pa si Alan. Morning. See. Tulog pa sila Judel. Tapos, ayan, yung mga chef cook pa lang ang gising, TJ. Si Alan kasi, hindi gaano nakatulog.
Uyat ako gabi.
Bakit?
Lumabas ako. Inikisi kita eh.
Good morning, Lekta. Good morning. Pero kagabi din nakatulog yan.
Mamayang gabi punta tayo sa Casino Land.
Aga natulog ni...
Daming chicks doon.
Ang daming chicks daw sa casino. Sa casino.
Casino.
Ang ganda ng Lekta.
Tulog na sila.
DJ, Happy Father's Day!
Salamat, maraming salamat. Thank you.
Cooking bacon. Happy Father's Day, my loves. My loves, I love you.
Trabaho na nila lang.
What? Yan, I'm cooking bacon. Bacon is life.
Hindi namin, hindi ka makatulog.
Oo nga. Look, TJ, may kape si TJ. Wow. Kami lang yung maingay. Happy Father's Day, my loves. Happy Father's Day. Bacon time. Matatanda. Father's Day daw eh. Liam. Come on. Hug Tito Alan. Hug Tito Alan is there. Oh, Tito Alan is waiting. What can you say?
Happy Father's Day.
Oh.
Happy Father's Day.
Del, sabi ni Alan. Bacon pa rin. Gumagawa siya ng noodles. What are you doing? What is your rules?
I'm waiting for the bacon and the noodles.
Okay.
I'll go get one. Go get one only.
Kanina pa siya kauuwi man. Oh, get one, Lee. Be careful of the thing, ha? Be careful of this one, Lee. Poor Lilia. Look at Liam. Liam is there. Hi, Liam. My loves. Hi, my loves. Noodles mo. Happy Father's Day. Look at them. They're eating. Yan.
No, this is my friend right here.
Wow. Lumit daw Father's Day daw kasi. My loves. Happy Father's Day, TJ. Happy Father's Day. We're gonna eat. Siya lang. Yeah, bacon, rice, langgunisa and tocino.
Parang nagka-absak na.
Oh, shush. And this one's egg and rice and giniling. Hi, my loves. We are going for a walk. No, loves, no. Loves, happy Father's Day, loves. Oh, pogi yan, no? Oh, see? Oh, di ba?
Make sure pa tayo.
Oo.
Kasi siyempre,
Tapos nililinis nila yung ano, yung campground. Hi, Liam! Hi, Lee!
nakakasunod kasi.
Oo. Hi, Lee! Hi! Hi, ate! Cheese!
30 minutes na lang.
Lakefront! Welcome to Lake Tahoe! Mag-ice cream kami. Hahawakan daw niya ako. Tapos, tatawid kaming dalawa.
Hindi ko na mapigil, masarap.
Hi! Sa kanila lahat yan. Sa kanila buong to. Sa kanila pati to. Sa kanila yan. Pati yan. Basta may pangalan na ano. Hi guys! Hi Lee! Hi! Oh, you need...
How we go here?
Hi Liam! Are you having fun? Ito yung hotel ng campsite namin. Meron din siyang hotel. Ayan, tinan mo, ang ganda ng... let's see. Ay, mihikab ako.
Hirapan ako, di maubos-ubos yung pera ko.
Bakit? Oh, nandito si
Day off
TJ.
lang, alam, mayaman na.
Oh, hindi daw niya maubos ang pera niya eh. Kaya kailangan daw niyang waldasin sa ice cream.
Day off lang, yaman. Feeling
Yaman ni TJ, ang yaman. Sana all. Mapasana all ka na lang. Okay lang daw. Tinan mo si Alan. Tatawid si Alan. Tatawid. Tatawid siya, tatawid. Oh, tatawid siya. Eng. Oh, success siya, success. Next. Hawi kayo, hawi. Hawi, darating ang presidente natin, ha? Yes. Yes, ice cream. Where?
Can I get the cone and the mint, the cake cone, and then the mint. One scoop. Is that the big? It's all the same size. There's no.
So big. Huh? Wow. What is it? Is it the mint? Huh? No, work together.
No, it's okay. And then the waffle cone, baby scoop also for chocolate.
Ice cream. Yan ice cream. Sarap. Mine is Oreo. Ano sa'yo, Labs? Oh, look at Liam. What is yours, Liam? And your ninong is minty. Ooh, so good. Liam, there's a car. Be careful, Liam. Okay. Hi, Sam. Hi, Liam. Where are you, Lee? Can you tell me where are we?
At the beach.
And you're swimming.
Yeah, and cold.
Oh, it's cold.
Yeah.
The beach it's really cold out there.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Father's Day, guys.
Ayos mo na dyan.
Happy Father's Day.
Gagayos mo naman, para pogi ako.
Para pogi. Pogi. O, mag-boomerang kayo. DJ, Father's Day. Okay, one. Okay, cheers. 1, 2, 3. In, out.
Okay. Boomerang muna, boomerang. 1,
2, 3.
ay, si Liam.
Pack up. Balik na kami, balik. Nakapa siya, oh. Nakapa. Hi, Lee! Sato, sa pagpitimpla, tama lang yung lasa?
Go, ikaw lang. What do you want to do? Go. Ano sa
Hi, Liam. Say hi to my vlog. This is our last night.
our last night, Bubu?
Vlog.
We need to see the
This is
stars.
our last night. Yeah, look at Liam.
Bob.
This is our
we need to
last
see the
night.
stars tonight.
So, we are celebrating Father's Day with my husband, my sister, the husband, and 2 kids. We're gonna go home tomorrow. Uwi na tayo bukas, Liam, no? Uwi na kami bukas. Okay. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Kaya tell me, Liam,
The zombie is going
nagkakwentuhan kami about sa mga movies, horror movies,
mga tik-tik.
sa mga tik-tik at saka sa aswang kasi itong dalawa na to eh.
Right?
Walang kaalam-alam eh. Eh, natakot si Liam.
The game.
Natakot.
That is part of the game.
Nagkakwentuhan sila ng about sa mga horror, about sa mga experience. And it's so dark. Super dark. And look at these kids.
They're scared now.
They're scared now.
Shiver me timbers.
Are you scared?
Hi, guys. Why you're still awake, guys? Kids. Why are you still awake? It's already past your bedtime. Same as Ate Sam. It's already past your bedtime, guys.
Go to sleep at 10 or 9.
How about Liam?
The next morning.
Good morning. Good morning, my loves. We're gonna go home later. Oh, our breakfast. Hot dog, egg, bacon. Liam, taste my bacon.
And my coffee is over there.
Over there, pa there.
Over there, ano pa there?
Yes, over there. Oh, I have bread. Wait, eat this. May ano pa, kuya? Kaya kain ka na, Biko. Bigyan mo ng morning. It's time to go. Our last day in Lake Tahoe. Hi, ate. Bye, Lake Tahoe for now. Yay. We're going home. We're going back to California. Nagpapak kami ngayon.
California.
No, we are in Lake Tahoe, Nevada.
No, you are? California. Nevada is over there.
Ah.
We're still not, we didn't pass the
Oh my God. Say hi to my vlog.
Ay, maraming salamat sa mga
Sa mga beer.
beer. Lasing kami.
Nalasing kami sa beer.
Laki ng beer.
Tingnan nyo. Kinain yung butter ko yung last night. So, siguro, umalis siya, tapos hinawakan yung car. Ito yung marks niya. Yan, siguro, hinawakan lang niya, dumaan lang siya. Kasi kung talagang bubuksan niya to is, dapat may scratch niya. Siguro, humawak lang siya para umalis. Anyways, Lake Tahoe, it was a great day. Wow. May beer ka pagali. Yan. Yan ang Superman. Oh. Next.
Lagay mo rin ba yung pagkain na ito dito sa sulok ko? Ikaw ang ayun ba kayo sa taas?
Dali na. Oh, isa-zoom kita, isa-zoom. Oh, oh. Liam! I thought you want SpongeBob.
Ay, Liam yan.
Sa bagong oportunidad, may makukugot.
Mama!
Ano naman ang sarili na competition?
Hi, JR.
Kayo! Sa banyo ba wala akong ano ka?
Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day! Happy Father's Day, Papa! Happy Father's Day!
Si Shalan.
Sa likod, sa likod, sa guwa. Hay, pali ka dyan. Napabulit ako.
Isipon mo ka.
Hirap na hirap si Mama. Nagpaligo sila. Sakit ng katawan niya. Hindi na siya nakatayo.
Kids, Happy Father's Day.
Hello! Papa is here. We visit Papa and Mama.
Ay, ang ganda, bebo.
Ayan, si Mother. Kakain na daw si Papa. Si Mama is so tired. Bigat daw ni Papa. Okay.